Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. Operating system will be Android 8.0 Oreo, and it will be available in two colors, black and silver. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. 5.2 inches 2.5D curved glass HD display, and some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. Processor is going to be 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 430, whereas the RAM will be 3 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. Rear camera will be 13 megapixel, and front camera will have 8 megapixel, with XMOR sensor, predictive hybrid autofocus and LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. The internally available storage will be 32 GB, and is expandable up to 128 GB. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 2600 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Sony Xperia R1 Plus. The expected price is $250 US dollars.